How to auto-arrange apps icon on Android? Auto-arranging app icons on Android can be vary slightly depending on the device and the version of Android you are using. So as you can see that the applications all over here has been scattered and unorganized. So a cluttered home screen with disorganized app icons can detract from the overall aesthetic appeal of your device. It may not look visually pleasing and can give the impression of disarray. So in order to auto-arrange this apps icon on any Android device, you just have to go to settings on your device. Then on the settings, you need to tap on home screen and lock screen option. Now you need to simply select this icon autofill and toggle on this button of icon autofill. Once you have done that, you have to go back to the home screen and check if the applications has been auto arranged or not. As you can see that all the application has been organized and auto arranged on our Android home screen. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.